Good morning, students. So let's continue with the problems of retirement of a partner. Take down illustration 33. Ram, Shyam and Mohan were in a partnership firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. On 1st April, Shyam retires from the firm. On that date, their balance sheet is given. Goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2 times of average super profit. The profit has been given. Expenses owing to be brought down to 37,500. Investment are revalued at 72,000. Ram took over the investment. Factory premises revalued at 2,46,000. Loose tools at 36,000. Provision for doubtful debts increased by 19,500. Claim on account of workman compensation is 18,000. So workman compensation reserve was 48,000 and claim is of 18,000. So the claim is less than the reserve. Shyam B paid 50,000 in cash and balance due to him treated as loan. So they have paid Shyam 50,000 in cash and the balance is in loan at 6% per annum. So show journal entry for goodwill adjustment. Prepare necessary ledger account. So first let us calculate goodwill. Calculation of goodwill. Average profit is equal to 6 lakh plus 5 lakh 50,000 plus 5 lakh 57,000 divided by 3. How much is it? 5 lakh 75,000. Then they have given us super profit. Super profit is equal to actual profit minus normal profit. What is the actual profit? Actual profit we found out 5,75,000 and normal profit is 5 lakh. So it is 5,75,000 minus 5 lakh, that is 75,000. So what is goodwill? Goodwill is 75,000 into how many years of purchase? 2. So it is 1,50,000. So what is Shyam's share of goodwill? It is 1,50,000 into 2 by 6. Shyam's share of goodwill 1,50,000 into 2 by 6. 3 lakh divided by 6, it is 50,000. So this share will be given to the continuing partners in the gaining ratio. They have asked us to write down the journal entry for goodwill. So journal entry. What is the journal entry? It is continuing partners capital account. Who are the continuing partners? Ram's capital account debited. Mohan's capital account debited to Shyam's capital account. It is in the gain ratio. Your new ratio has not been given. So what will be the gain ratio? Only old ratio has been given. So Shyam would be cancelled. It is 3:1. So what is the goodwill? 50,000. 50,000 into 3 by 4, 37,500. And 50,000 into 1 by 4, it is 12,500. So write down the narration. Shyam's share of goodwill adjusted to the account of continuing partners in the gaining ratio 3:1. Clear? Now we need to prepare the necessary ledger accounts. First we will be preparing the revaluation account. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So first they have said expenses are brought down to 37,500. So liabilities are decreasing. How much? 37,500 out of 45,000. So by expenses, it is 45,000 minus 37,500, 7,500. Next they have said Investment are revalued at 72,000. So the value of investment was 80,000. It is revalued at 72,000. It is took over by Ram. So that is not there. There is decrease in the asset. So to investment taken over by Ram would be in your capital account. 80,000 minus 72,000, that is 8,000. Then factory premises is revalued at 2,43,000, which means there is an increase. So on the credit side by factory premises, 2,43,000 minus 2,25,000, 18,000. Loose tools, 36,000. So there is decrease in asset. To loose tools account, 40,000 minus 36,000, it is 4,000. Next, provision for doubtful debt increased by 19,500. So it is 10,000 and they have increased by 19,500. So it is to provision for doubtful debts, 19,500. Whenever they have given by, you need to write the full amount. If they had given to 19,500, you would write 19,500 minus 10,000. Anything else is being given? No. Then we need to total the revaluation account. Which side is more? Our debit side total is more, that is 31,500. 31,500. There is a loss. So by partners capital account, we have Ram, Shyam, Mohan. 31,500 minus 7,500 minus 18,000, it is 6,000. So 6,000 into 3 by 6, 3,000. 6,000 into 2 by 6, 2,000. 6,000 into 1 by 6 is 1,000. So loss transferred to partners capital account. Next we need to prepare the partners capital account. We have three partners, Ram, Shyam, Mohan. On both the side, Ram, Shyam and Mohan. So debit side, credit side. Particulars, Ram, Shyam, Mohan. Particulars, Ram, Shyam and Mohan. So the first step is to bring down the balance which is given in the balance sheet. By balance brought down, 2 lakh, 1,50,000, 1 lakh. Then go to the balance sheet. Have they given us any reserve fund? Yes. So that needs to be transferred to all the partners in old ratio. So by reserve fund account, 52,500, 35,000 and 17,500. In old ratio, that is 3:2:1. Next in the balance sheet, they have given us workmen compensation reserve. How much is the amount? 48,000. But in the adjustment, they have said that the claim of 18,000 has been made. So how much is remaining? This 30,000 would be distributed to all partners in old ratio, and this claim would be written in the new balance sheet. So write down by workmen compensation reserve account, 30,000 into 3 by 6, 30,000 into 2 by 6, 30,000 into 1 by 6. So 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. Next we have loss of revaluation. So to revaluation account, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. In the adjustment they have given us, Ram took over the investment. So it will be to investment account. Who took it? Ram, for 72,000. Then we have an entry of goodwill. We have written over here Ram's capital account, Mohan's capital account to Shyam's capital account. So it is by Ram's capital account under Shyam, 37,500. By Mohan's capital account under Shyam 12,500, and then we have two Shyam's capital account. Under Ram we have 37,500 and under Mohan we have 12,500. Then they have said that in the question, Shyam to be paid 50,000 in cash. So to cash account, so it is to cash account, Shyam is paid 50,000 in cash and the remaining balance will be Shyam's loan account. Correct? So now we need to balance the partner's capital account. Credit side of Ram is more. What is the total? 2,67,500. 2,67,500. So it is to balance carried down. That is 1,55,000. Then Mohan's 1 lakh plus 12,500 plus, for Mohan it is 1 lakh plus 17,500 plus 5,000. It is 1 lakh 22,500. 1 lakh 22,500. So what is the balancing figure? 1 lakh 9,000. And in case of Shyam, what is the credit side total? 2 lakh 45,000. 2 lakh 45,000. But the balancing figure of Shyam would be transferred to Shyam's loan account. How much is it? 1 lakh 93,000. Clear with the capital account? Last we need to prepare the balance sheet. So write down balance sheet as on 1st April 2018. We have liabilities, amount, assets and amount. First we have cash in hand. It was 90,000 but we paid Shyam 50,000. So how much is remaining? 40,000. Then we have debtors 1,60,000 less provision for doubtful debt. It is 10,000 plus 19,500, that is 29,500. We get 1,30,500. Then we have stock 1,20,000. Factory premises 2,43,000. Loose tools 36,000. We are not writing investment because it is taken over by Ram. On the liability side we have trade creditors as it is 30,000. Bills payable 27,000. Expenses, it is decreased to 37,500. Workman compensation claim is 18,000. Shyam's loan is 1,93,000. Then we have capital of Ram and Mohan. 1,55,000, 1,09,000, 2,64,000. So what is the total of our balance sheet? It is 5,69,500. 5,69,500. Clear? So let us go on to illustration 34. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3/6 and 2/6 and transferred to reserve 1/6. Their balance sheet was as follows. B retires. Goodwill is to be valued at 50,000. Value of patent is increased by 3,000 but plant was found overvalued by 15,000. Provision for doubtful debt should be 5% on debtors and provision of discount should be made on debtors and creditors at 3%. Out of insurance which was entirely debited to profit and loss account 870, we carry forward as unexpired insurance. Investment are revalued at 16,000, half the investment taken over by B. There is a claim for workman compensation to the extent of 5,000. B was paid off in full. A borrowed the necessary money from the bank on the security of plant and stock to pay off B. Prepare evaluation account, capital account and balance sheet. So in this problem there are only two partners, that is A and B, and B has retired. So we need to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Before that we need to calculate goodwill. Calculation of goodwill. Share of B. It is 50,000 into 2 by 5, that is 20,000. So what will be the journal entry for this? It is A's capital account debited to B's capital account. What will be the amount? 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. So first we draw the revaluation account. Particulars and amount. We have debit side and credit side. The first entry is value of patents increased by 3,000. So increase in asset by patents account 3,000. Then we have plant was found overvalued by 50,000. तो प्लांट जो था इन्होंने भूल से ओवरवैल्यूड कर दिया. सो टू प्लांट अकाउंट 15,000. द एक्चुअल वैल्यू ऑफ प्लांट शुड बी 75,000, but they overvalued by 90,000. Then they have given us provision for doubtful debts should be 5% on debtors. So debtors का 20,000 into 5 by 100, it should be 1,000, but इन्होंने कितना किया है? सिर्फ 4,000. So there is increase in liability to provision for doubtful debts. How much is it? 1,000 minus 400, that is 600. I'll give a separate note for calculation of provision for doubtful debts. Then we have to provision for discount on debtors. It is how much? 3%. So 20,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 19,000 into 3 by 100, that is 570. And we have by provision for discount on creditors. What is the value of creditors? It is 10,000. So 10,000 into 3 by 100, that is 300. Then they have given us out of insurance which was entirely debited to profit and loss account, rupees 870 be carried forward as unexpired insurance, which means it is prepaid for next year. By prepaid insurance, how much is it? 870. Investment were revalued at 16,000. So there is decrease in the value of investment by 4,000. There is a claim for workman compensation to the extent of 5,000. So what is the workman compensation reserve? Have they given in the question? No, nothing has been given, but there is a claim of 5,000. So what is the journal entry for that? It is revaluation account debited to workman's compensation liability account. It is 5,000. So what is the total? So total 25,170, 25,170. By partners capital account, we have A and B. 25,170 minus 3,000 minus 300 minus 870, 21,000. 21,000 into 3 by 5, it is 12,600. 21,000 into 2 by 5, it is 8,400. Next we need to do the partners capital account. We have only two partners, A and B, debit side, credit side. So the first step is to bring down the balance. By balance brought down 80,000, 40,000. Next we have reserve fund which needs to be transferred. By reserve fund, it is 7,200 and 4,800. Then in the balance sheet we have profit and loss account balance. How much is it? 24,000. So 24,000 into 3 by 5, 14,400 and 9,600. Then we have goodwill in the problem. So that will be distributed among the partners. To goodwill amount 15,000 into 3 by 5, 9,000 and 6,000. Then we wrote a new journal entry for goodwill, that is A's capital account to B's capital account. So by A's capital account, under B 20,000, to B's capital account, under A it is 20,000. Then then we have revaluation account loss. How much is it? 12,600 and 8,400. Then half of the investment is taken over by B. So to investment account 8,000. So in the question they have given us that B is paid off in full. So what is the total of A and B? A it is 1,01,600, 74,400. 1,01,600, 74,400. So how much cash do we have in the balance sheet? We have only 5,000 cash. Now how much is remaining? 74,400 minus 6,000 minus 8,400 minus 8,000 and minus 5,000. The remaining he has taken from bank. He has given his plant as security and taken from bank. How much is it? 47,000. And then we have the balance of A. So to balance carried down, it is 60,000. So go to the problem. They have said that B was paid off in full. A borrowed the necessary money from the bank on security of plant and stock to pay off B. So cash already we had in the balance sheet 5,000. Remaining he has taken loan from the bank 47,000. Last we need to have the balance sheet as on 1st October 2018. We have plant 75,000, that is 90,000 minus 15,000. Then we have patents 7,400, stock 30,000, investment only half the investment would be there, 8,000. Then we have debtors 20,000, less provision for doubtful debts 1,000, 19,000, less discount on creditors 570, discount on debtors 570. How much do we get? 18,430. Then we have prepaid insurance 870. Next on the liability side we have employee provident fund 18,000, creditors 10,000, less discount 300. How much is it? 9,700. Then we have workman compensation liability 5,000. There is bank loan which is taken by A of how much? 47,000, secured by plant and stock. And then we have capital, that is 60,000. So what is the total of balance sheet? 1,39,700, 1,39,700. Clear? There is a working note for provision for doubtful debt. So calculation of provision for Doubtful debts. Debtors value they have given 50,000. Provision for doubtful debts, it is 50,000 into, so they have given us debtors value, how much is it? 20,000. Provision for doubtful debt as 5%, so it is 20,000 into 5 by 100, which is 1000. Given in the question 400, therefore increase in liability 1000 minus 400, which is 600. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.